Welcome back everybody, Kevin here, Automotive Elegance. Today we have here a 2023 BMW X7 completed in Marina Bay Blue that received our AE Bespoke Package, and the client requested a few other extras such as our carbon fiber paint protection film and interior ceramic coating. So let's walk you through a little bit about how we transformed this X7. Upon drop-off, the first stages that we do on a stealth transformation is a full chemical decontamination wash, clay barring, and finish with a single-stage paint correction, therefore perfecting the surface before we apply stealth paint protection film. After vehicle preparation, we move the X7M over into our PPF installation bay, where the vehicle begins its transformation into a satin matte finish. Stealth paint protection film allows vehicle owners, regardless of the color, to transform their vehicle's paint finish from a glossy to a matte finish, all while protecting their vehicle from rock chips, nicks, and scratches. This client decided to take their customization with the Bespoke Package a step further by requesting carbon fiber PPF to be installed on piano black trim such as the grille, the front bumper fascia, the side view mirror caps, and the rear bumper. After the installation of the stealth paint protection film, we ceramic coated the entire exterior. Ceramic coating combined with stealth paint protection film makes maintenance washes a breeze by protecting the stealth PPF from environmental fallout, bugs, insects, bird droppings, and so much more. Combined with our Bespoke Package and the custom carbon fiber, this client decided to add on interior ceramic coating. Interior ceramic coating is going to help protect this BMW individual interior from staining and allowing for easier cleanups. To top off the AE Bespoke Package, the client decided to add on window tint as well. We completed the front driver and passenger side with XPEL Prime XR Plus, offering up to 99.9% of UVA and UVB protection, along with up to 98% infrared heat rejection, meaning the cabin space, you're going to be cool and protected. If you guys have any questions or topics you'd like covered in any future videos, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Also, like and subscribe.